Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get API keys from Google for free. You can use it in your application, your local, on your any application that you are using this API keys. So all what you need to do is just go for Google AI Studio, go for the first one. After you get logged in with, you will go from get API key, and here guys is gonna be creating the API key, which is you want to create a project, let's say Gemini project. It's created, this code to deliver, then press create key. After that it's gonna be project default, press and the key here, and then copy paste this API key. Guys, don't try to copy paste this because I will delete it anyway. So that is how to get an API key for Gemini things using for your benefits. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.